Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Fiza Freelancing Wali. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to review a very inspiring TED Talk by Meena Tariq. She is entrepreneur, investor and business leader who has spent many years helping startups and young entrepreneurs in Pakistan. The title of her talk is about investing in ideas even when you feel scared. This talk is not only for people who want to start a business, it is also for students, freelancers, creators, and anyone who has a dream but is afraid to take the first step. In this review, I will explain the main lessons from her talk in very easy way. I will also share my own thoughts after each lesson. So let's get started. Meena Tariq begins by talking about ideas. She says that every successful company, invention, or project started with just one simple idea. At first, many people did not believe in these ideas. Some people laughed at him. Some people thought they would fail. Some people say them stupid. But the people who believed in their ideas kept working. Because of their hard work, those ideas became successful businesses and changed many lives. Nina tells us that the biggest mistake is not failure. The biggest mistake is never trying because of fear. Many people have wonderful ideas, but they never start because they think, "What if I fail? What if I don't do best? What will people say? Maybe I'm not good enough." So Mina says these thoughts stop many dreams before they even begin. I really like this introduction. It made me think about how many people have good ideas but never share them. Fear is normal. Everyone feels afraid before doing something new. But if we don't try, we will never know what could happen. So one of the most important lesson from this talk is that every successful business starts with a simple idea. No company became successful overnight. Every entrepreneur started somewhere. Some started in a small room. Some had very little money. Some failed many times before they became successful. The important thing was that they believe in their ideas. We now want us to understand that we do not to be rich to start. We do not need perfect conditions. We simply need an idea and the courage to begin. So this lesson is very inspiring. Many students think they need a lot of money before starting a business, but many successful companies started with very small resources, like Elon Musk, like Donald Trump. So the first step is always the important is the most important. Mina says that fear is a part of life. Everyone feels scared. Students feel scared for exams. Entrepreneurs feel scared before starting a business. Speakers feel nervous before giving a speech. Even successful people still experience fear. The difference is that successful people do not allow fear to stop them. Instead, they keep moving forward. Fear should be a signal that we are trying something new. It should not become a reason to quit. I completely agree with this point. Whenever I start something new, I also feel nervous because I am also a human. But every new experience teaches us something. If we keep waiting until we are completely confident, we may wait forever. Another important lesson is about taking risks. Many people think taking risks mean being careless. Meena explains that this is not true. A smart risk means learning, planning, and then taking action. If we never take risks, we stay in the same place. Growth happens outside our comfort zone. Our entrepreneur has to make difficult decisions. Some ideas work, some ideas fail, but every experience teaches important lesson. I think this lesson is useful for everyone, whether we are students or business owners. We all need courage. Failure is not the end, it is a part of learning. Meena has spent many years helping entrepreneurs across Pakistan. She believes that entrepreneurs create solutions to problems. They also create jobs for other people, and small businesses grow. The country's economy also becomes stronger. She especially supports women entrepreneurs. She wants more women to start business, become financially independent, and create opportunities for others. Because She believes that everyone deserves a chance to succeed. I really respect this part of the talk. Helping others become successful is a wonderful goal. When one entrepreneur succeeds, many families can benefit from that success. Meena completed her MBA and continued learning throughout her career. She believes education is very important. Learning gives us confidence. It helps us make better decisions. It teaches us how to solve problems. She also says learning does not end after school or university. We should keep learning every day through books, courses, mentors, and real life experiences. This lesson reminds us that successful people never stop learning. The world changes every day. If we continue learning, we continue growing. One of the strongest message in this talk is self-belief. Sometimes other people may not believe in our dreams. They may say our ideas are impossible. But if we believe in ourselves and continue working hard, so we can improve them wrong. So confidence grows through action. The more we practice, the stronger we become. I think this is one of the best lessons from the talk. Success begins with believing that we are capable of learning and improving. Overall, I really enjoyed this TED talk. It is a simple, practical, and full of motivation. Meena Tariq explains difficult ideas in an easy way. She reminds us that every successful person once had doubts and fears. The difference is that they did not stop. Instead, they trusted their ideas and worked hard. This talk teaches us that every great business starts with one idea. Fear is normal. Take smart risks. Keep learning. Believe in yourself. Help others grow. Never give up on your dreams. Or keep learning. So these lessons are useful not only for entrepreneurs but for everyone. So I will give this TED Talks obviously 10 out of 10. It is inspiring, easy to understand, and full of practical advice. I recommend this talk to students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, teachers, and anyone who want to build a better future. So thank you so much for watching this review. I hope you learned something valuable from Meena Tariq TED Talk. Remember, every successful journey begins with one small idea. Don't let fear stop you. Believe in yourself, work hard, keep learning, and never stop chasing your dreams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, tell me in the comment what is one idea you want to turn into reality. So, we will meet again. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye, everyone.